India's battery energy storage systems market is booming, projected to exceed $30 billion by 2030. In 2024 alone, 341 megawatt-hours of new capacity was added, a sharp jump from 51 megawatt-hours in 2023. The country targets 1,840 gigawatt-hours of storage by 2047, driven by rapid growth in solar, wind, and hydropower, which has increased demand for grid stability and storage. Major projects are underway. India's first utility-scale BESS launched in New Delhi, while a 40-megawatt, 120-megawatt-hour plant in Rajnandgaon is currently the largest. A 180-megawatt per 360-megawatt-hour facility is also coming up in Gujarat. Opportunities are strong for foreign firms in supply chains, local manufacturing, grid tech, and recycling, though imports remain critical in the short term. Government support includes customs duty waivers, incentives, and a 10-year exemption from transmission charges, though regulations are still evolving. Despite higher costs and policy gaps, India's BESS market offers huge potential, with early entrants set to gain from incentives, partnerships, and the country's clean energy transition.